Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, May the 22nd, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the Three Stars Sudoku. So, three puzzles are left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested, the Four Stars Sudoku. Four Stars Sudoku number 8579. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Yes, the Four Stars puzzle has always 24 printed digits. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Yeah, it's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for Four Stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a Four Stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here two ones. We have here two twos. We have here three threes, three fours, three fives, two sixes, four sevens. Well. Two eights and two nines. So the sevens are in majority. Can I start with the seven? Yes. Seven in this column, seven in the middle column, so the column next. Only two places left. The seven should be here or there. We have seven in the second row. No seven is seven should be here. Seven in the first row, seven in the second row, so in the third row. Only two places left. The seven should be here or there. We have seven in the third column. No seven there. Seven should be here. Seven in the third column, seven in the second column, so in the first column, the only two places left. The seven should be here or there. We have seven in this row, no seven there. Seven should be there. Now I cannot continue with the seven. I need to wait. Here, I need the seven. Alright. And down. And now, three missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are: the one is missing, the two, the three, the four, the five, six is missing, the seven, eight, nine is missing. 169, 169, 169, 169, and look, we have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these two boxes. So one box left on the 9 in this big square should be there. So the 1 and the 6 are left. Let me mark those: 1 and 6. 1 and a 6. Need a 1 here. Okay. Three missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are: the 1, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4, no, again, 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. And look, we have 4 in this column, no 4 there. We have 4 in the first column, no 4 there. The only place left the 4 should be there. So the 2 and the 8 are missing here. Let me mark those. I hate to split those numbers outside a big square. Why? Well, the chance to make a mistake is slice higher. Yeah. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. On that column, the only two places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, the only two places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place left, the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 4. 5, 5, 5, 5. Yeah. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5. Need 6 here. Yeah. Need 6 there. Thinking. Need 8 there. Thinking. Nine. The nine there. The nine here. The nine there. Well, we have a pair. The 9 and 8 in this column. The 9 and 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 9 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Four missing numbers now in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have 1 and a 5 in the middle row, so no 1 and a 5 in these two boxes. 1 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. Here we have a 1 in this column, in one of those two boxes. So that box we have here marked two boxes with the 1 and the 6. Well, this box cannot be a 1 anymore because we have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this column. So this box should be a 6. That box should be a 1. Okay. Then do we have a pair? No. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next. The only two places left, the 6 should be here. Or there we have a 6 in this row. Third row, no 6 there, 6 should be here. One box left now in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left, the 2 should be there. One box left in this big square for number 1, the 2. 3 is missing here. 2 missing numbers in the middle column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Let me mark those. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing here. Okay. And now 3. Need a 6 there. Alright. Need 3 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in the second column, so no 3 in these two boxes. We have 3 in this row, no 3 in those two boxes. One box left for the 3 in this big square. Shoot it in. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column, so the first column, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so the third row, the only two places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this last column, 3 in that column, so the column 3, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And no, the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. Alright. Then, let me see. How about? The 7 in the last row, the 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. Alright. No. Need a 9 here. 9. Need 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 9. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 in these two boxes. We have 9 in the third column. No 9 in those two boxes. So the 9 in this big square. Could be here, could be there. 9 in this row. 9 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So the third row. Only place left for the 9. Should be there. 9. Yeah. No, cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. How about? Need a 6, need a 5. I need a 5. 1 and a 5. 1, 5, 2, no, 8, and 8 here. 8, 8, 8, and 6, 8, 6, and a 5. I need a 1 here. 1, 1, 1. Yeah. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1. Need a 1 there. Well, we have a pair. No, we don't have a pair. Need a 1 here. Wait. Need a 2. 2. 2, 2. Need a 2. 2, 2. 2, 2. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. Come on. This is taking too long. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can be 5 anymore, that box should be a 5. And this box should be a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And the 1 here. Need a 1 there, okay. 2 missing numbers in the third row for numbers 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the third column. So no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. The only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in the third, last row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Cannot continue with the 5. Need to wait. Then let me see. 8 and 9 and 1. 1, okay. Need a 1 here, need a 1 there. Okay. 9, 8 and the 2. 9, 8 and the 2. 2, 2, 2. Well, in this big square, we need a 2. We have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. 2, 2. 2, 2, okay. Come on. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Need a 1 here. Yeah. Need a 6. How about a 6 and 2 missing numbers in the third column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, the 2 is missing. I marked these 2 boxes with the 2 and 8. We have a 2 now in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in a row below. So last row, the only place left 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so the first column only 2 places 11, 8. Come here, come here. Here we have 8. Here we have 8. That means in the middle row, the 8 should be in one of those two boxes. Because here can be an 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. So the 8, come here, come here. 8 in this row, first row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place 11, 8, should be there. Mark those two boxes early with 8. We have 8 in this column, so this box can be an 8 more. That box should be an 8. Alright. So 9 and the 6. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the middle row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. Mark those two boxes early with a 9. We have a 9 in the second column, so no 9 there. 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this second row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. And look, we have 1 and 2 in this column, so no 1 and 2 in this box. 1 and 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair, so 1 is left in this big square for number 5. Mark those two boxes early with 5. We have a 5 in the last column, so this box can be 5 no more. That box should be a 5. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. Well, cannot fill this yet. Well, we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright. 1 box left in the last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be in. The 9 goes and there. 9 and 8. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And 8 goes there. Mark those two boxes early with that 8. We have an 8 in this row. So this box can be an 8 and more. That box should be an 8. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in the second column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there, finish in 18 minutes. 1 minute more than, no, yeah, 2 minutes more than the previous Sudoku. But we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. If I'm faster than 50 minutes, then it will be 1 star. But let me give this a 2 stars. It's a 2 stars puzzle. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.